Thanks for joining us for this web weather update. I'm meteorologist Kyle Mounts on what is turning out to be a very snowy Sunday afternoon and evening for us. In fact, here's the view around 3:30 this afternoon from the IMS Pagoda. The snow is coming down and you can't even see the Indianapolis skyline. Pretty quick, we're going to start to see that sticking to the ground. Let's take you now to Carmel and give you the view there. You can see those flakes continuing to fly through the air, reducing visibility and travel. Only going to get more difficult as we go through this evening and also into Bloomington. We've been dealing with some of that steady snow that will continue. Here's a look at TrueView radar. You can see that snow just starting to work into central Indiana, and we've got a long stretch of it as this system continues to kind of ramp up for us. Here's TrueCast. By 7 o'clock tonight, most of us dealing with light to moderate snow at that point. Now, TrueCast, this is a new trend here, trying to bring in some drier air by 11 o'clock. We'll see. That's the first this is really showing up. I think we'll stay with persistent snow off and on as we go through the night, especially just to the south of the Lafayette to Kokomo line. So much of central Indiana, even as we look into the Monday morning commute, still some of that light snow from around Richmond, Greensburg, and Seymour. So any travel south and east of the city early on Monday looks to be extra tricky for us. Those snowfall totals, again, they're going to be lightest to the northwest, so around Lafayette, Monticello, Logansport, around an inch, maybe 2, and then we get to around 3 inches as we get to Indianapolis, Hendricks County, back to around Terre Haute. Then around Indianapolis, still the models coming in around 3 inches. As we get south of the city, then we start to go 3 to 4. Can't rule out a couple of isolated amounts getting around 5 inches, but I think that would be around Richmond, Connorsville, down toward Greensburg, Columbus. That's where we should see some of those higher numbers. And here's how one of the models kind of breaks it down. This is just one of several that we look at, but give you an idea again. The lighter snowfall expected to be to the northwest, with heavier amounts as we work our way southeast across central Indiana. Once the snow moves out of here, another cold blast, even colder than what we had last week, moves our way. We're down some spots into the single digits by Tuesday morning. Of course, we're going to update you on the system we're dealing with now and that cold blast coming up tonight on RTV6.